Hare Krishna. So today we will be discussing on joining ISKCON can have various meanings, various ways we can join ISKCON. So ISKCON is basically a volunteer organization. Everyone who is here serving the society is inspired to render service to Krishna and through that to the entire humanity. So that is the basic foundation of why a person is in ISKCON or why a person would like to join ISKCON. So depending upon the level of their conviction, level of their interest in serving the society, somebody who can give up everything, all his activities like career, education, they fully are into ISKCON. They read Bhagavad-Gita, they teach Bhagavad-Gita, practice the spiritual life seriously, and these are called like full-time devotees. Those are fully dependent on Lord, and they have come with a great source of inspiration to do this service. So they basically stay very close to the community of ISKCON temple, or those who are celibate monks, they stay within the temple and practice all these activities. Now another level of getting associated with ISKCON is that a person comes on our events. Generally all ISKCON temples have events on Sundays, and in these classes, in these events, we teach people about how we can transform and live a meaningful life based on Bhagavad-Gita and Bhagavatam. So they are congregation devotees. They come every Sunday, they have their own careers, they have their family or business, but they devote their Sunday, one particular day in a week, and come and participate in temple events with following all the standards of a devotee. Joining ISKCON, people come also on occasions like Janmashtami. They come as volunteers, they render service of distributing food, preparing food, cleaning the temple, and various aspects of how a temple is managed. So there can be so many walk-ins who come and take part in these activities. They are also joining ISKCON in the sense that they are helping us in spreading this mission. But they are other times into their career and profession. We have membership where a person can give a donation and become membership and be blessed by spiritual books, archana, and various aspects the membership can offer. We have courses in Bhagavad-Gita. We can enlist in that courses of Bhagavad-Gita, learn Bhagavad-Gita, and in these various ways we can join ISKCON. But generally joining ISKCON or joining full-time is dedicating one's life completely to ISKCON or Krishna's mission. However, not everyone can do that. So depending upon their level of conviction, depending upon their convenience, we have various ways a person can contribute their life, their energy, their money in the service of Lord. So essentially it is volunteer service, and nobody generally asks saying that you have to pay money to be part of ISKCON. But you have to be willing to give your time and energy for serving Krishna. So to render volunteer service, we all know ISKCON is present in many major cities across India like Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and various other cities in India. Anybody wishes to render service, join ISKCON, can approach the local temple management. Most of the temples have a website, they have contact information, brochure, various details available on social media, and you can approach a senior devotee who is in charge of the management and express their desire, their willingness to do service to the Lord. And they will guide based on your situation how much you can devote your time and what aspects you can render service in. So in this way everyone can be beneficial. Thank you very much. Hare Krishna.